Hello guys, today I want to share this beautiful story of butterfly. Wait, butterfly and where is this caterpillar? Butterfly and caterpillar. I think most of you have already heard this story. So this is an analogy. This story is an analogy to a spiritual life. So the story, sorry, sorry. The story is like there are many caterpillars, and caterpillars are like humans in this world who are chasing tasty leaves, running behind leaves, different type of leaves, and some are eating ordinary leaf, and while other are enjoying tastier leaves. So one day, while a caterpillar is eating a tasty leaf, he still feel empty inside him. He still feel there is some void that he has to fill. Means he has the best leaf of the area according to the society, and he is enjoying that leaf, but still he feels a void. And then he saw a butterfly next to him, and I don't know exact what the thing is. Then he asked butterfly, how you can fly? Then butterfly told him, you can also fly like me. I was also like you, but I transformed myself. He first shocked and said, you are joking, this cannot happen. I I walk, not even walk, what we call for this caterpillar, Rengna? What we call Rengna in English? I'm using walk. I walk on the floor. How can I fly? So butterfly told him that for that you have to make a cocoon around you of your released thread, and in the cocoon you have to develop your wings, and when you develop your wings, when you developed your wings a little bit strong, they will blown out the cocoon surface, and then you can fly. So cocoon followed the advice of butterfly, and after his tremendous effort he was able to fly and leave the race of chasing the tastier leaves like other cocoons. So what is the metaphor of this story? Metaphor or analogy of this story is like every human is chasing more richness, more power, more wealth, and even some people have a lot of money, still they feel empty. But if you want to be like butterfly, you have to make a cocoon and self introspect yourself, know you, to know actually that you are not the body, you are not the mind. Then you can live a liberated life, free from all suffering, with deep love flowing through your body every time. Even when circumstances in outer world are very difficult, still you are happy and fulfilled from inside, because you understood the reality of life, you understood your true nature, that you are the infinite consciousness. So that is the state of becoming a butterfly. But for that we have to make a cocoon, and making a cocoon and going in cocoon and trying to form wings is like doing sadhana, practicing different meditation. Meditation is not the only path, but it's one of the paths. So doing a lot of sadhana, you will realize something, you will get another lead where to go next. So these different type of tasks are like growing your wings, and at last when the cocoon will burst and the cocoon will flown out, that's the time when one will get enlightened. So yeah, this is the whole story. I hope you like it. At last, let's show butterfly and cocoon. Bye bye. Just took this shot for thumbnail.